Hallo, liebe Leute. Let's take a look at your exercise Bitten in der Klasse. Also requests in the classroom. So we've got 10 command forms here. Yeah, some of them is Lehrer. Some of them are the Lehrer talking, yeah, the teacher. Some of them are the Schüler talking, the students. So if it's the Lehrer talking, then the teacher is going to be either using the do form, talking to one student, or the ihr form, talking to the whole class, okay? If the student is talking to the teacher, then the student is going to be using the Sie form because the teacher is Herr or Frau so-and-so, okay? So you're going to mark it Lehrer if it's the do or the ihr form. You're going to mark it Schüler if it's the Sie form, yeah, because it's the student talking to the teacher. Now, if you didn't see this already in the other exercise, there's an explanation here at the bottom and some examples, yeah, of the do form and the ihr form and the Sie form, yeah. The do form is what we've been working with, all right, and then the ihr form is the same thing with the T at the end, and the Sie form has the en on the end and the actual word Sie. Yeah, you have to say schreiben Sie. Yeah, you can't leave that out. All right? Also, so it's not too hard to figure it out. The one thing that you will have to watch for, yeah, is there are a couple of irregulars like sein and haben. Yeah, sei bitte leise, be quiet. Seid leise, y'all be quiet. Seien Sie bitte leise, hey, you Mr. or Mrs. So-and-so, be quiet. Yeah, so there's some irregulars, okay? If you mess it up and you use the wrong irregular form, people will still understand you. It's just sort of like if a little kid says, I go to the zoo yesterday. You don't go, oh, stupid kid, you said the wrong past tense form of go. No, you know what they meant, yeah? So if you guys mess this up, more than likely people will understand you, okay? But we don't want to sound dumb. I know y'all don't like to sound dumb, so we want to learn it right and try to get it right. Okay, there's a few other ones. In general, if the verb is stem vowel change, it's going to change the stem vowel in the command form, but not always. That'd be far too easy. So there are some that do not change their stem vowel. If you just keep listening and working with German, eventually this will start to sound right. Yeah. All right, so let's look up here at the top. Let's see what we got. Nummer 1, bitte lies den Text vor. Yeah, read the text out loud. Lies, that is a do form. So that is the teacher talking to, talking to the student. Okay, Nummer 2, schreib den Satz an die Tafel. Also schreib, that's a do form. So that is the teacher talking to the student. Write the sentence on the board. Yeah, schreib den Satz. Also that is the teacher talking. Nummer 3. Sprechen Sie lauter oder sprechen Sie langsamer. Ja, also you formal person, speak louder, speak slower. Yeah, sprechen Sie is formal. That means it's a student talking to a teacher. All right, Nummer 4. Bitte wiederholen Sie das. As soon as you see that Sie, you know it's formal. That means it's a student talking to a teacher. So bitte wiederholen Sie. Student talking to teacher. Yeah, repeat. Wiederholen is to repeat. Erklären Sie das bitte. Explain. Yeah, erklären Sie das. Also, again, when you see Sie, you know you're addressing someone formally. So it's a student talking to a teacher. Whoops, I didn't get the thing. There we go. Okay, Nummer 6. Hilf mir. Hilf mir. No ending on the verb. Help me. Yeah. Also, hilf mir, that is definitely a student. Wait a minute. Nope. Hold on. Oh, I confused myself there for just a second. Hilf mir is, you're talking to another du, okay? So we're going to put, it's a student, or shoot, it's a teacher talking to a student, yeah? Also, hilf mir. You're talking to a do person. Sounds to me probably more like a student talking to another student, but we're going to put teacher. Yeah, you're definitely talking to an informal person, to a do. Okay, Nummer 7. Hör sofort auf. Yeah, quit it. Hör sofort auf. Quit it right now. Yeah. Also, you are talking to a student. So it's a teacher talking to a student. Okay, seid leise. Seid, from down here at the bottom, yeah. Seid is the ear form of sein, to be. So this is be quiet, please. That is the teacher talking to the students. Plural students, the whole class. Not just one person, but all y'all. Seid leise. Okay, schlagt bitte das Buch auf. Schlagt with a T. Also talking to the whole class. That's the teacher talking to the whole class. Okay, und dann Nummer 10. Gib mir bitte dein Lineal, bitte. Gib mir. No ending. That means it is the student talking to the teacher. Or talking to someone else. It's talking to... Missed. Hang on. You're talking to a student. So we're going to call it the teacher talking to the student. It sounds to me like a student talking to another student. Give me your ruler, yeah, but the point here is that you're talking to a do person, okay? It's a little bit of a confusing activity, and it's going to be exactly the same on your test, okay? So you're marking who is talking. That means also, it's the opposite of what you're thinking, okay? Also, if this is confusing to you, let me know. Yeah, I'll be happy to help you out with it. Yeah. Okay, guys. Das ist es. Tschüss.